Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to allow Chrome to access media on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. To allow Chrome to access media on your device, you can log first on the application. And then here you can select App Info. Okay, after that here please tap Permission. Here there are two sections. The first section is the section that has received access permission, while the second section is for those who have not received access. And then, please tap on the storage. And then here you can click Allow access to media only. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to allow Chrome to access media on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.